A milk tank. It's the first place fresh milk is cooled before being enjoyed at breakfast, lunch, and dinner tables across the world. Mueller, trusted among dairy farmers globally. Located in the heart of Europe, Mueller milk tanks are engineered and manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility in Groenlo, the Netherlands, closely located to the port of Rotterdam. A sophisticated test center enables us to develop better solutions. Focused on minimizing water and energy consumption, this equipment is designed to contribute to lowering global warming gases in the cooling process. A new tank always begins with sheets of stainless steel that form the inner tank. A laser welding machine makes template evaporator panels where refrigerant will soon flow, rapidly cooling the milk. These template panels are shaped and carefully welded for maximum cleanability. Every weld and surface of a milk tank are meticulously prepared for decades of healthy operation and system reliability. It takes cooperation and true craftsmanship to get it just right. Piping is added, quality checks are made, and the template panels are inflated to an engineered height for optimal cooling performance. Using this unique method of insulation allows Mueller tanks to minimize the contact between the metal inner and outer tanks, reducing unnecessary energy costs. Regular comprehensive quality checks during this production process guarantee the highest standards. After the outer tanks get formed, legs, a milk outlet, agitators, sensors, the control unit, and on silos, the cladding and the alcove are all installed before the final quality tests. After a complete washing inside and out, the tank is ready for transport. With production now complete, this horizontal milk cooling tank and silo are headed to farms in Ireland. Mueller ensures the on-farm installation is handled with care by Mueller-trained personnel and partners with local knowledge and expertise. Kingston Refrigeration, a trusted Mueller dealer established in 1978 by Sam Kingston, is specialized in the process of food refrigeration from farm to fork. In markets outside the Benelux, Mueller depends on companies like Kingston Refrigeration to sell, install, and maintain Mueller tanks. The choice of a horizontal or a silo milk tank is decided on the farm's capacity needs and unique space requirements. Mueller milk cooling tanks are available in many different sizes, from 1,700 liters to 50,000 liters and even bigger. Big or small, traditional or robotic milking, there is a Mueller milk cooling solution for every farm. Final installation will meet the farmer's needs and the local processor's requirements. The new system stands ready for many years of milking, and everyone feels a sense of pride and peace of mind. This important food source is now secure. What starts out as a plate of stainless steel in the Netherlands has now become a way to cool the world's milk. The close cooperation between Mueller craftsmen and local experts bring Dutch quality milk cooling to you.